Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is wonderful and precious chance for me to be speaker in this beautiful morning at the Universitas Negeri Semarang on Friday, 10th of June 2022 in our big event, International Seminar on Science and Education. Today, we are gathered with health and opportunities, but do we all know that all of this because Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala still gives us a good chance? For the start, let's be grateful for the best blessings so that everything becomes a good grace. I am Rizka Septianita from Basic Education Study Program, Postgraduate Universitas Negeri Semarang, Indonesia. Today, I would like to share about my research product, P6 Pocketbook, as a learning media based on augmented reality technology on static fluid materials. P6 has a big role in supporting science and technology. This is a big challenge for educators so that the concept of P6 can be applied in real life in everyday life. P6 teachers at schools often discuss theories from the handbooks used, give the formulas and example of questions. As a result, the material will only be reduced to reading while students can only imagine. That's what makes students get bored quickly and not interested in studying physics. Good understanding of students must also be supported by innovative learning components, one of which is learning media. Learning media can be created via mobile phone. Based on questionnaire given to 100 students of class 10 Science SMAN for Malang, data obtained 73% of students have a mobile phone with the Android operating system. Data from the Ministry of Information and Communication shows that mobile phone users reach 84% of the population in Indonesia, around more than 200 million people. 30 million mobile phone users from among children and teenagers. Technology on mobile phone not only as a tool but also as a learning resource. In line with this development, a new technology emerged in the form of augmented reality, often shortened to AR. Augmented reality displays objects in three-dimensional. AR technology has been widely developed in making multimedia learning presentations as a teacher's tool in the learning process in the classroom. Based on the description, the potential to provide solutions to these problems were obtained. That is, it takes media or learning aids that can be optimized by all cycles of the educational environment. Then, how is the media? Mobile learning media based on 3 dimensions, interesting and easy to use. Learning media product named P6 Pocketbook in the form of pocketbook and static fluid application on mobile phone. In this study, there are 2 scientific reviews. Number 1, develop a P6 Pocketbook as a learning media for static fluids based on augmented reality technology. Number 2, evaluate the eligibility level of the P6 Pocketbook as one of the students' learning media on static fluids material based on augmented reality technology. The research method adopted from waterfall model with the following steps: analyze, system design, implementation, product testing, product application. Products in the form of P6 Pocketbook media and static fluid application based on Android with augmented reality technology. The resulting image of the product that has been made is shown on the screen like this. P6 Pocketbook consists of cover, preface, table of contents, learning identity, and instruction for using media. The static fluid application consists of a splash screen, a home page that contains a brief description of the application, a simulation button, and an exit button, a simulation display. Physics Pocketbook structure in the content section consists of subject title, conversation model, and supporting image. On the last page of each subject, there is a marker, like this picture as marker as a link that is connected to the application via the mobile phone camera. How does the application run? The application will display a splash screen. On the next page, the user will be presented with the main menu, like this. Main menu. The user selects the ER menu, then points the camera at the marker in the Pocketbook. This is ER button, exit button. 3D objects will appear as on the screen, like this. 3D object. The user can select the exit menu to close the application. The software used for the creation of this media including this is 3ds Max 2010, which is used to model 3D objects. Unity 3D 4.1 as the main software, Vuforia SDK 2.0.6 as a package that provides for the development of augmented reality technology and for mobile phone devices. This is a three-dimensional object view. The product specifications of the Physics Pocketbook are as follows. Number 1, the Pocketbook contains 7/8 pages with a size of 10 × 15. Number 2, consists of 6 subjects able to display animation in 3 dimensions, runs on Android operating system minimal 2.2 or Froyo, memory space 16.24 MB, and internal storage 40.45 MB. To test the eligibility of the product, an assessment of the learning media was carried out with the assessment criteria. Assessment is divided into 3 objects, namely the Physics Pocketbook, like this, static fluid application, like this, and static fluid material, like this. Based on the data, overall the average value of the developed learning media is 3.41, which is declared eligible. The results of the trial were limited to users. Overall, the average value of the developed learning media was 3.58, like this, with a percentage of 89.5% declared eligible. Physics Pocketbook as a learning media based on augmented reality technology has been declared eligible. The following is a Physics Pocketbook simulation. Let's see together. This is a splash screen, fluidostatis. Then this is main menu, AR button, exit button. Mobile phone camera connected to marker in the Physics Pocketbook. So we will see 3D simulation like this. What do you think? Really innovative to support learning visualization? I think so. Why the Physics Pocketbook? What are the advantages? Number 1, Physics Pocketbook is portable. It can be run anytime and anywhere. The material in the Physics Pocketbook is arranged in the form of a conversation. Static fluids application displays animation in 3-dimension form. Static fluids application is accessed offline, so you don't have to worry about internet quota. Technology-based learning trends, learning adapted on the time. This is the last part of my presentation. From the development research conducted The Basics Pocketbook has been developed as a learning media for static fluids based on augmented reality technology. Basics Pocketbook as a learning media based on augmented reality technology has been declared eligible as a student learning media on static fluids. Due to limited time, so I already apologize profusely if there are errors and mistakes in delivering this presentation. Thank you very much for your great attention, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your listening. May all those we have shared be beneficial for all of us. Questions, suggestions, and discussion are very open for better media development in the future. Never lose hope because it is the key to achieve all our dreams. Thank you, may be useful.